All right, here we have a 1989 Chevrolet C1500. As you can see, it's finished in silver and blue paint. This truck has had a repaint along the line. Now this truck in particular is powered by the 5-liter V8 that is paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Now if you want to see any picture of this truck, undersides, engine bay, or the bed itself, you can see those at uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can always give us a call at 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's riding on aftermarket wheels with radial tires. So this one has a two-tone gray cloth bench interior, automatic on the column. Stock stereo in there does work. I tested it. This is also equipped with power steering, power brakes, and AC. AC does blow cold. As you can see there, sliding rear window. Now there is an aftermarket fiberglass tonneau cover on here with struts that will hold it up when you open it up. There is not a bed liner in this truck. It is still the painted to match. And you can see those at the end of the video here when I open everything up. This also has a clean Carfax with no accidents indicated. And again, you want to see the pictures of this truck, undersides, engine bay. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can always give us a call at 507-386-1726, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. As you can see, get you a nice little shot of the underside here. Okay, let's get this thing started. All right. All right. As you can see, there's a seatbelt warning light there. There, it went off. Shut my door for you. Okay. All gauges appear to be working there. Fuel gauge. Stereo does work. Test that for you over here. Yep. AC does blow cold. Readouts are working as they should be. Take a look at the dash here. Dash is in nice shape, as you can see. All right. Take a look at the headliner. And again, the seats are in good shape, cloth. And the discoloration here, you can tell it's actually the nap of the fabric. So if I wipe my hand along it, you can see it'll change from darker to a little bit lighter. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video here, open up the hood and see what's under the, or in the engine bay, I should say.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, got it started. Got the tonneau cover open. All right, so like I said before, 5-liter V8 on this. Power steering, power brakes, as well as AC. It looks like a previous owner did add a battery disconnect switch there for you as well. Let's check the odometer here. Okay, so that reads 151,289 miles. Let's check out this. All right, so here's the bed. As you can see, it has been used, but what you see is what you get on this one. So, and like I said, glass topper with struts. Struts are holding their own. And then it did come with the 2 floor mats as well. So, 1989 Chevrolet C1500, finished in silver and blue. Again, give us a call at 507-386-1726, or check out our website at uniqueclassiccars.com.